Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Are you okay? This is gonna be a long video, I can tell. Okay.
You know what? I'm just gonna go like this.
Okay, you can pop in, but I can see your shoulder.
What the heck?
You good? You're still in the video. Your shoulder is literally there.
What the heck?
Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm joined by our 11-year-old cousin. Anyways, so today she's gonna be following Rihanna's Vogue makeup tutorial and she's gonna be doing it on me. Are you excited?
No.
It was her idea. I didn't even force her into this, so now she's nervous. Okay, let's get started.
I'm not ready.
Starting with foundation.
Oh my god.
You can start with this is my foundation. This is my beauty blender. I'll pull my hair back so you... Yeah, so you can tap a little on your hand. I don't know how much I'm allowed to help you, but I'm gonna help you. There you go, something's coming.
That's all the foundation.
That's all you can get? Okay.
Like a safe bet.
I'll take my glasses off.
Yeah, this is all foundation.
Oh yeah. It just feels wet. Please cover up all my pimples.
Nothing can help you now.
Oh, wow. So mean.
This process is like...
It's a struggle. I'll give you the foundation, son. Foundation. Foundation. Come out. Oh, there, see? That's a lot of foundation, girlfriend. Then I'm gonna actually look like a clown.
But I barely did your face, that's why. I just want to say I have never applied foundation for myself.
Oh, wow. Careful, don't get on your pants. Did you?
I got it on my nails though. Oh no. How do you blend this?
You dab, dab, dab. Yeah.
You turn this way more so I can actually see that.
Sure. Oh, wait, did you miss half my face?
Yeah. You're like, Lord, help me, please.
Yes. As long as I look semi-decent and I can walk outside, I'm good. So, no laughing. I don't want to look like a Oompa Loompa. This foundation is just a little orange sometimes. So.
A little? It's like turning your face orange.
Got foundation in my teeth.
Oh, yeah.
It's going?
It's because of your skin. You need to get new skin.
I did get a whole new skin, yes, thank you. I wish I had Rihanna's skin, you know.
Okay. Okay, you good now?
I'm good? You think I'm good? I should have brought a mirror.
Yeah.
I guess I'll find it in the end. I can't even see myself because I'm blind. Okay, hopefully this is blended. Contour. I don't have a stick, but I do have
Okay, so I might be using the blue.
No! You can use one of these darks, whichever one you feel like.
Finger?
Yeah. Sorry, I don't got the proper brushes for this video. Yeah,
she put it here, right? Okay. They all look the same to me.
There are various shades of brown.
Surprised you could tell. You
I'm blind.
You
Color
thought
too.
black was purple.
Okay.
Here, right?
Sure.
Okay.
Don't laugh. I can't tell what's happening. It's not giving me any confidence.
Okay,
Can I look like Rihanna by the end of this video?
No.
Have you contoured before?
No.
Okay, fabulous. Oh my lord. I can feel it going into my past my cheekbones, maybe up to my forehead, I don't know.
I put so much.
It's like a way to blend for days, hon.
Oh,
Here, please watch our video.
I'm just doing that first.
Okay, you can do that first. She'll teach you how to blend.
Contour always starts off looking absolutely crazy.
Crazy is one word. I don't understand why do people go through this like every day.
It's fun.
It's fun. Trying to make it not look like such a thick line.
That would be nice.
Are you happy?
I'm happy. Well, right, without my mirror or my glasses, yeah, I'm happy. Oh. Was the song not helping? I thought it was motivating you. How do I look? Do I look like a bruise in the face or I got a nice chiseled cheekbone? A bit of both. That's okay. Sometimes I deserve to get punched in the face, right? The one time I did contour for the first time, I was super young. My mom's like, "What happened? Who hit you?" I'm like, "What do you mean? Do I look like flawless?" And she's like, "No."
This is my first time doing it,
Yeah?
so you're gonna be looking.
No judgment.
You got beat up.
It's okay. It's fine. It's your first time.
Mm.
Do I look the same? Or do I look a tad bit more beautiful?
I wouldn't say beautiful.
Oh, okay. For the
For
forehead.
the-
Oh my god. There is contour and on that beauty blender. Blendy beauty.
Oh, my nails! Oh.
There. It's all gone, see? Use this color.
Skipping.
No, I don't get a small forehead. I have a big forehead.
Yeah.
Okay.
And very important to go into the hairline.
I don't know what she's saying. I don't understand the language of makeup.
Crazy. I got double chin.
Me too. Double chin. What? That was the opposite double chin. Double chin. Yeah. Forehead, nose, and chin. I mean jaws.
Okay, so forehead.
Not like this. Forehead, nose, and chin. I look like a box out here.
I'm so scared. Oh.
This is easier to blend than cheeks because the more you go, the smaller the forehead. To the point where I have no forehead. That's fine. Do I look like I have a ring around my head?
Nose?
Nose is the hardest. Wow.
Okay, I'm
The
sorry.
whole side of my nose is gone now.
What the heck? Now your forehead looks pink. What the heck?
Pink! It should not look pink. It should be brown. I'm so confused where you got pink from. Brown can be pink too now. Why put colors in a box? Give me whatever color they want.
Try not to destroy your hair.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Pinky promised she'd try her best, so at least I'm giving her credit for that. Semi-decent. Oh. Okay. I'm being manhandled or baby handled. Are you still a baby? Can I have some nice jaws, please? I'm feeling myself. I wish I could see myself, but
I could see myself.
I can't. I'm blind.
Oh.
I literally see two blobs on the screen. Like I'm that blind.
So I do it here, right?
Mhm.
Okay. Help you.
No, just the cheek. Maybe a face mask on. Don't say that. Oh.
They always want to do a triangle when you're doing a contour under there.
I ain't doing that. I hope you know that.
Everybody knows concealer is made for hiding bags and
3. Okay, I was close.
Swiping, no swiping. I don't want to like destroy you though.
Oh, please don't. Okay. Sorry.
How long has it been?
Since you blended or since I can't see. It's just at the top.
27 minutes?
Shut up. We're only on 3 minutes in the video, but 27 minutes here. That is insane. Okay, wow, it's gonna be a long video to edit. Who would like to work faster?
Make sure you blend it properly.
That was beautiful. Every time I ask you that question, you're like, questionable. I think. No, it is. Okay, we back in action. Done.
I'm winging it the whole way.
That's highlight. That's bronzer.
Actually.
Nor can I highlight my contour. I just had a heart attack. Wow, that's a lot.
So here and here.
And we see here.
next, brows.
Oh.
And next, I'm going to use the same bronzer and warm up my eyes a little bit. See my eyes.
You don't have to do my brows because she doesn't show you how to do brows.
Okay.
You want me to close my eyes? Keep them open.
Yeah, close your eyes.
Okay.
Next time. Done.
Oh, but that was fast. Okay.
I'm going to start with the pink on the lids.
Okay, good. Done.
It's
Oh.
also something that
Blush.
you can
I'm hungry.
You definitely want to smell when you're putting on your
Smile!
I don't have a cheek cutting brush like her, so you can use fingers, you can use brush, whatever you feel like.
Okay.
Am I sparkling?
Put very little bit
Can
though.
the rest of the world see me?
Nope.
Am I blinding? I'm
Nope.
brighter than the sun.
You're blind.
That's the most accurate thing in this video.
Is she trying to like turn into a disco ball?
Nice.
No.
Just like that.
Here, right?
Mm-hmm.
I
Okay, I'm done. Okay.
Okay, here goes nothing. You want me to look down, up, look up, it is.
Oh, for the love of God. Lord! I'm fine. Are you okay?
I'm good, I just blinked.
I put so much on one eye, now I need to do the other one
The
properly.
struggle is real.
It looks pink right here.
Oh.
You see a little bit of gold?
Pink, well, pink gold lipstick that I don't have. I got some.
Guys,
I got maroon,
I
red.
don't know how much I
Brown.
Ooh, this
product.
I think maroon will okay.
Okay.
I swear to God, I'm gonna get on your teeth.
How do you want me to keep my lips? Open? Closed?
Ha! Oh, okay. Okay. Yeah. More. More. Oh my God, I'm
That was on my teeth,
Yeah.
yeah.
Yeah, Wait. It's like all over here now.
You can wipe it out.
Okay.
How I be looking? Am I beautiful now? Am I Rihanna now? We don't have that body glitter. And I don't have the shoulder sugar.
Behind the body lava for me.
Is it time for the
Face.
big reveal? I have very high expectations and very low expectations. All the
Very
same.
low. Oh my God.
The time to put my glasses on for the big
Yeah.
reveal. I'm kind of nervous. I
You
hope I
should
look
be.
semi-decent. That's all that matters. Am I ready? Okay. Oh, I'm shook! Get out! You did a good job! What? Oh my god, I can't even. Wow, this is some intense contour, but it's pretty good. Wow, she did a good job. I'm shook. You were tricking me this whole time. I'm shook. Even the lipstick looks good. Girl, bye. Ooh, I look snatched, don't I? Wow, good job, Cookie. Fabulous. I thought I was gonna literally look like a clown. I thought we should do some close-ups after this. Wow. I really like this eye makeup too. I've never done pink before. Okay, so that's all for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
Peace. Bye.